In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Ionos website in just about 5 minutes. Editing your website can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not familiar with the platform. But worry not, I'm here to guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Ionos homepage. You can find it by simply searching for Ionos in your preferred search engine, or by typing www.ionos.co.uk directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice a welcoming interface with an abundance of options. But don't get overwhelmed. The next step is straightforward. Look for a sign-in option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. A single click on this button will take you closer to accessing your website's editor. As you're clicking through, remember that Ionos designed their website with user experience in mind, making it relatively easy for you to find what you need. When you've found the Sign In button and given it a click, your next move is to select Customer Account from the options that appear. This should be clearly visible and will lead you to the area where you can enter your credentials. As expected, clicking on Customer Account will prompt you to click on another Sign In button. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's just how the journey to your account dashboard is structured. Now you're getting to the heart of it. You'll be asked to type in your email address. This should be the email you used when you initially set up your Ionos account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, click on Next. This little button is your gateway to progressing towards editing your website. The layout and design of these buttons have been made intuitive to ensure a better user experience. Following your email, you'll now need to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock isn't on if it's not supposed to be. Your password is the key to your account, so keep it safe and secure. After typing in your password accurately, click on Next once more. This action confirms your credentials and takes you a step further into the heart of your Ionos account, your dashboard. In your dashboard, navigate towards Website and Shops. This section is dedicated to all tools and functionalities you can use to edit and manage your Ionos hosted websites. Your dashboard is essentially the control room for your online presence, allowing you to manage everything from one place. Once you're in the Website and Shops section, you'll find a list of your domains. Here, you'll want to click on your domain hyperlink. This is the unique address for your website. It's what users type into their browser to visit your site. Clicking on it will take you directly to the back end of your website, where all the fun editing happens, and that's it. You're now on the back end of your website, ready to make whatever changes you desire. Whether it's updating content, changing images, or tweaking the layout, you have full control to customize your site to your liking. Remember, the goal here isn't just to make your website look good, but also to ensure it reflects your brand, communicates your message clearly, and enhances user experience. Take your time to explore the different functionalities and tools available to you. Experiment with different designs, play around with the text, and maybe even add a new page or two. Editing your website on Ionos is a straightforward process, thanks to their user-friendly interface. Still, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you encounter any difficulties or have questions. There you have it. A simple guide on how to edit your Ionos website in about 5 minutes. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date and engaging website is crucial in today's digital world. It's your online storefront and often the first point of contact with your customers, so making sure it's in tip-top shape is key to your online success. Happy editing,